today I want to show off a new premium edition feature, which is integration with RStudio server. To do this demo, I'm using our demo study from LabKey.org. I want to show how we can export data from LabKey and into our RStudio server and analyze it or combine it with other data. So I'm just going to pick a data set out of my study, a few rows in it. And you're all familiar with the export menu, but if you have permissions and have your server set up correctly, there's a new item under here called RStudio. And if I can use this item to export the data set I'm looking at into RStudio, where I can do plots or other analysis. I'm going to give that a name, a variable name, and then bring up the tab that has RStudio running. And I can see now that I have a variable called exam, and I can view that using RStudio's data browser. So for those of you who don't know RStudio Server, it is a web-based development environment for our programs. I can write code, I have a command line, I can interactively type our code and viewer for plots and data. For instance, in this case, I'll just make a very simple plot. Say a weight versus blood pressure. And the plot comes up here. So since I'm not going to try to teach anyone R programming today, I'm not going to focus on the capabilities of R. I just want to show the interactions between RStudio and LabKey. In particular, it's important to know that this session is running as you, so you're with your permissions, and it's already pre-authorized with the LabKey server, so I can run our LabKey commands directly, and it knows who I am, and I have permissions. So I can, for instance, do a select rows command. And pull data out from LabKey into local variables. Another handy way to get data out, just for convenience, we've built a browser which lets you view sort of like the query schema browser you might be familiar with, where you can browse through the system and find data this way interactively. And just by clicking over here, I can pull in data and view it.